Anytime you're doing any kind of a plank variation where you're just gonna have one hand on the ground, so you're doing maybe shoulder touches, just a one-arm plank, pull-throughs, and I'll show some of those variations at the end. One of the critical things that you gotta get down is your shoulder position. So here's what I mean by that. If I pop into, like I'm gonna do some shoulder touches here, and for when I'm doing this drill, the goal is to avoid rotating and twisting. If my shoulder, if I'm kind of relaxed and sunk down here a little bit, and obviously I'm exaggerating that quite a bit, it becomes very hard to stabilize the rest of my body because a lot of my weight is on that shoulder. So if it's not stable, I'm not going to be stable. What you want to do is take your time a little bit and really plant your hand into the floor. So if I'm here, instead of being relaxed, I'm going to push into the floor hard, touch my shoulder, load the other arm, push. And this is going to be a lot more work, and it's going to maybe make your shoulders a little more tired, but it's going to allow you to have better stability, and it's going to get you into a better habit of making sure your shoulders aren't kind of slack, but they're actually as actively contributing to kind of all the movements and positions that you're doing as possible. So this would come into play with those shoulder touches. If I was just doing a one-arm plank, or even a two-arm plank, I would want to do the same thing, or a hold on, stay right there. Or if I was going to do a plank kind of pull through, so where I'm pulling a dumbbell side to side, or even if I was going to do some renegade rows, I want to make sure I'm braced properly, and if I'm relaxed again, it's going to kind of look like garbage. So that's one of the keys to anytime you're just having one arm on the floor, make sure you are pushing through as hard as you can.